Blanch it, peel it, core it, blend it till it's smooth and glossy. Spank your tomato, spank it till it's saucy. Cook it long and cook it hot, do that spanking thing. More you spank your mater, the more your body sings. Spank the tomato, spank the tomato, spank the tomato. It's a bread making kind of day. Spank the bell, smack the like, comment on our spanking ways. All our spanking videos will keep you fed for days. Spank the tomato, spank the tomato, spank the tomato. This is my favorite Pampered Chef pan, stone pan to make cinnamon rolls in, but really only about 8 of them are going to fit in there. All right, so this is where we get creative. To make that nice brown on the bottom part, lots of butter and brown sugar in the bottom before you ever start. Okay. So we'll start off with that. My hands are clean. Just washed them. So we're just gonna rub some butter in there like so. This is for anybody who's not into squeeze is gonna gross you out because this is gonna be good. I love it. If you're not into lots of butter, and if you're counting calories, don't even look at these because you'll gain weight.
Oh, yeah. There's a big rule in our kitchen.
What is it?
You're not allowed to count calories.
Good.
Ever.
Good. You're cooking bread, butter, and
I'm
sugar.
telling people out there, man, if that's a problem for you. But I'll tell you what, even if you're not doing it, these make the most awesome gifts. People will just come back. They'll make you make them over and over.
Yes, I had them as a kid, and I never forgot them.
Well, and you will, again, what is that? A little something that shouldn't be in my butter.
I'll edit that out.
Yeah.
Getting an even coating of brown sugar in the bottom of my pan.
This is awesome consistency, this bread is.
Nice.
Yep. I'm excited.
I think you guys will enjoy it.
Right on. Well, if it's anything like that fried bread, I'm there.
And the ingredients are so simple before you start getting,
Spank it, squeeze it, fry it, there really is no limit. The menu is wide open, just get that mater in it. And spank the tomato, spank the tomato, spank the tomato. Yeah, 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 yeah. Spank that thing.